Yeah, this is me, Annabelle Evelyn Mutton. Every day, all I do is play, play, and play. Yeah, maybe playing all the time isn't really good. I'll definitely change this habit someday. But today, maybe I'll just play a game first. Let's just AFK for a bit. But then I realized being AFK is actually so boring. And after being AFK for a while, bro, even my avatar was eating while I wasn't. Alright, that's it. No more AFK. I'd rather cook some noodles to eat. Do you know one of the most famous instant noodle brands in Indonesia? Of course, it's Indomie. And today, I'm going to cook these noodles and add some extra ingredients to make them tastier and more nutritious. Let's get started. First, prepare a bowl and a pan to cook the noodles. Get the ingredients ready. Of course, Indomie. Since I like soup noodles, I choose Indomie Soto. Other ingredients include enough water, an egg, vegetables, and seaweed. For additional toppings, you can use chicken or beef, but this time I choose stuffed crab. Now, let's start cooking. Pour water into the pan and turn on the gas stove. Bring the water to a boil. While waiting for the water to boil, put the noodle seasoning into the bowl. Once the water is boiling, add the Indomie, vegetables, and egg. Cook about 7 minutes until the noodles, egg, and vegetables are fully cooked. Add the seaweed and cook briefly. Turn off the stove, then pour the noodles into the bowl that already contains the seasoning. Finally, add the stuffed crab on top. Delicious noodles ready to eat!
Nice.